Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers. The Amazon houses at least 40,000 plant species, 1,300 bird species, 3,000 types of fish, 430 mammals, and a staggering 2.5 million different insects. More than 20% of the world's oxygen is produced by the Amazon, earning it the nickname the lungs of the earth. Approximately 400 to 500 indigenous Amerindian tribes call the Amazon home, with about 50 of these tribes having never had contact with the outside world. The Amazon plays a crucial role in the fight against climate change by storing around 120 billion tons of carbon, which helps regulate global weather patterns.